Welcome back. In this video I'm going to do the next mod on this smart car. So I'm not building it as a race car or anything, but I just want it to work around the property, to be able to tow things and get up and down some hills I've got. So I'm going to have to do something with the wheels at some point, but what I want to do in this video is put a tow bar on it. And I've got a few things that I need to tow around, like a small trailer, wood splitters, things like that. And they've all got standard hitches on them, so I need to fit a 50mm tow hitch on this, and I'm not sure. I want it to look standard and the bumper bar to fit on. You also notice I changed this exhaust muffler back again, and the main reason was the other one was just too open and it was a bit noisy, and the other thing was it wasn't creating enough back pressure. So this one seems to work pretty good. What I'm going to do is remove this bracket and just see what I'm up against, but I do want it to look standard and the bumper bar to fit properly afterwards. So I haven't seen one done like this before, but so who knows, I'll just give it a go, take this off and we'll go from there. This is the tow hitch I'm going to use, 50mm or 2" for those in the US and other countries. I'm thinking of either welding it into this bracket or under. I need to check the height of my trailer. These are Torx 45 bolts. Now these holes here seem to be for towing, and that just screws out. I haven't checked. There must be a little thing on the bumper bar that you pull out, but I'm not going to need that. If I need to pull it for whatever reason, I'll just use the tow bar. This is pretty lightweight. I think I need to put something a bit stronger. I don't think that's strong enough. There we go. That's pretty lightweight. Might reuse part of that. And also need to pinch one of these brackets to put onto this muffler. Now there's a couple of Torx 30s that just hold this plastic on, which then supports the bumper bar. So I'm going to take these off and figure out a way to put them back on a bit later. Right, so I've got this piece of box section, or SHS. It's 75mm or 3" 4mm thick, which is a bit over 3/16. This should be plenty. So what I might do, cut it and reuse that first part of the bracket and just bolt it on. This is actually going to be, I think it's going to be quite easy. Now this section, this bumper has a bit of a bend in it. You can sort of see that. So what I'll do, I think, is have a look around here. I don't want this sticking out further than that, because without putting the bumper bar back on, it might foul. So if I have it more like this, like that, and that means the new thing will be set in a little bit further in the middle, which shouldn't matter. And I can always put a spacer there if I need to. Look at that. Nice. The clamps will probably fall off now. Oh, you dirty dog. There it is. Might as well check if it's level. Oh my God. Should be, I suppose. Nice. Alright, so we'll tack that on. Then I'll see how I'm going to get this hitch to work. Alright, that's gone on really well. Way stronger. So I'll fully weld those shortly. But with the hitch, I think what I'm going to do is there's actually quite a bit of room under here with that big old ugly muffler gone. Might just put it right there like that. Arc weld it in the middle. And then I'll put the bumper bar on now, I think. See how far I want it to stick out or need it to stick out, and also got to check the height. But I can always get an offset tongue, so that's looking pretty good. I want to tow the trailer I made with the race mower, so there's an earlier video, I'll put a link in the description. Probably some firewood and things, so maybe 500 to 700 kilos I reckon this would tow. I haven't seen smart cars towing before, so it's only one way to find out, is may as well just try it. Geez, I can't remember how this come apart. It looks like I have to put these in first. Well, that's pretty much it. You can see there I put the bracket on for the muffler. There's the other side of it. Bit of RHS. Weld these on. I'll just go to fully weld them on, bolt it up, and then I'll put the hitch on. I think it's looking pretty good. And it's going to pull straight from the chassis, so that's probably the strongest. Well, that is the strongest thing, so I think the tow bar is going to be able to cope with much more than the engine can put out, because at the end of the day I think this is only about 80 horsepower until it blows up and I'll put something crazy in there. That's about how it's going to sit in the car. Close enough anyway. So what I need to do now is just figure out where I'm going to position this, because I need it to stick out far enough for that pin. So it's probably going to be something like that. Righto, there we have it. That's what we started with, and this definitely would not be strong enough to pull from. It's only it's probably 1.6 mil, I think, without measuring it. Not very thick at all. Gone from that to this, and this, whew, that's definitely going to hold a lot of weight. So 50mm hitch, 4mm thick, fully welded, and I welded this. You would have seen it's a bit hard to strike an arc with these rods. 70-18, bit overkill, but they're full structural welding rods, so we'll see how it goes. Should fit up alright, I hope. She's not going to break, that's for sure. Plenty of clearance too, awesome. Well, I think that's turned out pretty neat. Just welded on there to the original bracket, mounted to the main bit of the chassis. Got the hitch, nice and solid. Added an exhaust bracket here. Good clearance behind there. And the other thing I did, this is mounted at a fairly standard height, but it actually works out quite well because the back fender or the back bumper bar, there's a section at the bottom I removed, and it should end up somewhere here, so I'll be able to cut the top section around that and the bottom section separately, and to make a really nice fit and not have to have it bigger to fit over this. And that's the hole for the pin, so the bumper should end up about 15mm back from that hole if my calcs are right. The other thing is these brackets go on the end, and I checked it earlier. What I should be able to do is fit it all up, and then I just put a self-drilling screw straight through that hole there right into this box section, and it'll bolt straight up in the right spot. Look at that, that muffler is so small compared to the standard one. Actually works pretty good, and I think it even sounds alright. So, bit of lube. This should go in pretty good. Hopefully it's going to line up. Look at that. Anyone would think that's supposed to be like that. Now these springs are what you normally have on a motorbike, but it's literally a motorbike engine, isn't it? Any of you smart car guys or girls out there, this is the Cabrio. Don't know if it's different to the hardtop, but there's this at the back, and I don't know. Can you tell me what's supposed to go in there? Because what I'm thinking is for around the property, that's looking perfect. Put a bit of ice and a few drinks while I'm cutting wood or something. But let me know if it's for something specific, but it's really good depth, good fit. A few bottles of beer in there, cans of Coke, would be great. Anyway, let me know. That's a bit tricky now. Ooh, look at that. It's just about, oh, it's just about going to go over. Alright, I have to do a bit of cutting. It's never going to rust. Right, let's see. Right, I think that's going to fit good. Once I mount these brackets, it should just hold there right where I want it. Holds the bumper and the light at the same time. Right, there's one under here. Sweet. That's just about got it. It's come up really neat. There's just enough room to put the pin in. It's a standard 50mm or 2-inch hitch, and the exhaust come up good. and you can just see the exhaust pipe just there, so I wanted to make it so it was hidden out the way, and I've got the underbody protection already, so this is awesome. All I've got to do is put a couple of bolts under these end brackets when I get it back on the hoist, and that's pretty much it. I'll have to see if I can hook something up and see if it'll tow. Well, here's a 3.5 ton weight ball, so that should be plenty. Stick that in. Come up real nice. Very happy with that. Well, that's it. I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you've got any questions, put them in the comment section. In the next video, I'll get on to the next mod, which I think what I'm going to do is mount a winch on the front. See you soon.